guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are watching me for the first time, then make sure you go and click the red subscribe button down below and also tap on the bell icon so that you'll be notified for each and every video that I will be uploading hereafter. So if you are a part of our family already, then make sure in the comment section you type as hashtag Keerthi Squad. So yeah, today's video is going to be about the products I have emptied in the last few months, and I'm going to tell you guys whether I would repurchase it, is it good or bad, and my thoughts on it. So if you want to know everything about the products that I've emptied, then you know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay guys, if you are wondering that where I have got this beautiful neck piece and this earring, it is a set actually. I got this from Made for Her Instagram store. I will give the link in the description box down below, and also I will just put their name over here, so make sure you're checking their page out. Her name is Divya. She has like almost everything, you guys, like from neck piece, earring, nose pins, German silvers, and everything you actually need. So just make sure you go and check her page out. If you are a jewelry lover, then you should definitely check her page because it's amazing. Even this bracelet, I got it from her. Oh my god, look at it, it's just amazing, right? I'm sure you will love it and you will not regret following her. So yeah, let's just move on to the video. I do have quite a lot of stuff, you guys. I'm very sorry if you hear this sound because I have all those in a cover over here. It's in a trash bag. So yeah, the first thing I'm going to show you is this Cara cleansing and hydrating wipes. I love this Cara cleansing wipes, not only to remove my makeup. You guys know that in my skincare routine this plays an important role, but not like every day these days. But I try to cleanse my face and remove the dirts from my face using this Cara wipes. I love this. I will just leave the price detailing everything on the screen. I will not be telling you guys about the price and all. So would I repurchase this? Definitely I would, because I love this. This is the only face wipe that I love. I just don't like the Johnson's Baby one or some other ones. I just don't like it, but I like this Cara cleansing wipes. Next is this Ever Youth Oil Clear Lemon Face Wash. Okay guys, it's a good face wash, but it's not like bomb. I like this, but I will not repurchase this because I have found better and best face washes. So I don't think that I will be repurchasing this. But in general, it's a good face wash. Yes, it is oil clear. You will not have those oil thing on your face after you use this face wash, but it's not like so good, and I'm not really a big fan of this. I used this like during my winter, I believe, but I haven't repurchased it and I'm not going to repurchase this. Next is my love number one. That is my leave-in hair serum, live-on, whatever you want to call it as. So this is the leave-in hair serum. It has vitamin E, controls frizz, ease out tangles, reduce breakage. Actually, it does all these things for me, but most of them told me that this particular serum is not working for them, but for my hair it does work, you guys. For me this is amazing. This is the one that I always use. I have used Matrix serum, I love that as well, but this one is affordable and I completely love this. I will definitely repurchase this, and I do have a lot of backup for this leave-in hair serum. I will be repurchasing this until I find a better serum than this. Okay, next up we have Patanjali face wash. This is the activated carbon plus vitamin E and vitamin A facial foam with lemon, neem and aloe vera. The name is huge. So yeah, anyhow, actually it is not completely over, you guys, but honestly I'm not liking it. I feel like if I use this face wash, I'm getting a lot of breakouts and stuff. Who wants that? Basically I don't want that. So I just don't like this face wash, you guys. I will never repurchase this, never ever. I love so many Patanjali products, but this one is not my thing. So yeah, I don't want this and I will not repurchase this. Speaking of, we have another Patanjali product. The smell of it is amazing. Oh my god, this one still has that smell. Wow. Oh my god, I'm addicted to the smell. It has shea butter in it, and yeah, this is the moisturizing cream. I loved it. It does not moisturize your skin like anything like the Garnier one or the Cetaphil one, but it does moisturize your skin to some particular extent. During summer you definitely can use this. I used this during my winter as well. I loved it, but I'm not sure whether I will repurchase this because I'm currently loving my aloe vera gel, the Patanjali aloe vera gel. I am using a lot of them. I'm always using my aloe vera gel, and underneath my eyes I use my Garnier wrinkle cream, and you guys know that. So yeah, I will not repurchase this, to be honest. This is a good one. I'm not telling that this is a bad one. This actually is a good moisturizer, but I have something better than this. So yeah, I'm not going to repurchase this. And what else we have? Okay, talking about moisturizer, we have this Pond's Age Miracle. This is also a moisturizer. My mom loves the Pond's one. I love the Garnier one. She always, oh my god, look at it. It is completely over. Damn. So yeah, she always buys this one. I just don't know why she likes this. I just don't like the Pond's one. I love the Garnier one so much. That's freaking amazing. That is lightweight. I have talked so much about the Garnier one, so I just don't need to keep repeating that. And this Pond's, yeah, I will not repurchase this, but yeah, this might come to my vanity again because my mom will definitely repurchase this because she loves this Pond's Age Miracle. Next up we have, okay, the packaging is so damaged. Please, I'm very sorry for showing you this, but I have to. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 CC cream. I love Lakme CC cream. Seriously, compared to the Pond's BB, compared to anything, I love my Lakme CC cream. This is the shade Bronze. It has SPF 30 PA++. I will definitely repurchase this. This is amazing, you guys. If you're not a makeup lover and if you just don't want to apply a lot of foundation and things, then you can go with the CC or BB cream. So many of them loves Garnier BB cream and some of them loves Pond's BB cream. That is amazing as well. But my top favorite is this Lakme CC cream. This one is lightweight. This will not give you heavy coverage, a very light coverage, and that is what I want. So this Lakme CC cream is the best, and I will definitely repurchase this. And I also have one more in my vanity. So next we have this Lactocalamine Baby. Oh my god, I love. I'm so playful, you guys. I'm sorry for that. Okay guys, to be honest, I will repurchase this. I don't have one with me right now, but I will definitely repurchase this. Lactocalamine is the name that we have been hearing since we are like so small. Even the packaging hasn't changed. The smell hasn't changed. I love the smell of Lactocalamine. Yeah, oh my god, this is reminding me of my good old school days. I love Lactocalamine. My mom always uses Lactocalamine when I was a kid, but she's not using it anymore. But I still love my Lactocalamine, you guys. I will definitely repurchase this. I don't know why my love for this will never ever end. So yeah, this is for combination normal skin. I do have combination skin. Next up we have this Neutrogena Daily Scrub. If you guys have watched my skincare essentials and my skincare videos, and you guys know that I love this daily scrub. Yes, I will definitely repurchase this. I don't have one with me right now because these days I'm just trying out the Roop Mantra ones and I just don't want to try any other product. I just want to know how that alone works on my skin, so I'm not using anything else. So yeah, I will definitely repurchase this. This is a daily scrub. I love this and I will repurchase this after finishing my Roop Mantra face washes and stuffs. So yeah, I like it. I will repurchase it. Okay, next we have some sample thing. This one is the Nature's Course Saffron Cream. To be frank, I did not like it that much. This one I got from Glamigo box, but this is not like my top favorite. This is not even my favorite, you guys. I don't know why. The smell was good. It has like exactly saffron smell, but it's a good moisturizer though. It does moisturize your skin well. I'm not telling that I hate this. I'm just telling that I dislike this kinda. There is a difference between those two. So yeah, I will not repurchase this, of course. Okay, next we have the Patanjali aloe vera gel. My lifeline. I love aloe vera gel. I can't live without aloe vera gel. That is so true. Actually, the one that I have right now is almost gonna get over, so I just have to buy another one. I can't live without that. I just apply that like all the time, every time, like 3 times a day I use my aloe vera gel, trust me. So Yeah, especially the Patanjali aloe vera gel is just amazing. The smell is amazing, and when you apply that on your face, you will feel that your skin is getting hydrated and stuff. I love that, so I will definitely repurchase the Patanjali aloe vera gel. Let it be the Soundarya one or the normal one. I will repurchase the Patanjali aloe vera gel because I love it. Next one is the Disaster. So this is the Blue Heaven eyeliner. They said it's an eyeliner, so look at it, guys. I have showed you this in my under ₹50 makeup look. Oh my god, this is so bad. As you can see, okay, it has a little bit of pigment, but it's getting broken. I don't know why, I just hate it. I will never ever repurchase this product from Blue Heaven. I love Blue Heaven. I have got a lot of things from Blue Heaven, like their mascara, their makeup, foundation stick and everything. I love most of them, but this one, a big no. Really sorry, Blue Heaven, please don't come up with something like this, even though this is just affordable. This is just for ₹40, but I don't want to spend my ₹40 in a trash like this. Okay, next is the sheet mask. This is the Face Shop sheet mask. I had a lot of them and I have thrown everything away, and just I had one thing to show in my product empties video. So yeah, I love sheet masks, you guys, especially for those who have dry skin. You have to use sheet masks because that really hydrates and moisturizes your skin. That is so amazing. I love sheet masks. I will definitely repurchase this again and again. These days I'm not using face masks so much, but I love face mask, and after seeing this only I remember that I have to buy a lot of sheet masks. So this one is from Face Shop, and I love Face Shop's sheet masks. Next is my love number 2. This is the Nivea underarm roll-on. I can't live without roll-on. Okay, when I'm talking about roll-on, my tongue is rolling. So it's a bad joke. I know, it's so lame. So this is the Nivea underarm roll-on. I love this roll-on, you guys. I always use this, and I will be buying this again and again and again, like my leave-in hair serum, until I get a better one. Okay, my earring is dancing. The last one we have here is the PAC Beauty Blender. So actually it's not the product empty, obviously, but this one is totally damaged. As you can see, it is so dirty. It kind of torn apart, and I just don't want to use this here after. I'm using my Nykaa Beauty Blender, even that is good. That is kind of below amazing, but that is good. Even this one is really good. I just want to try different beauty blenders. That is the reason why I haven't got the PAC one and got the Nykaa one. After the Nykaa one, I'll be trying out the YBP beauty blender, because Shreya told so much about YBP beauty blender, and I definitely want to try that out. So yeah, this one I will not repurchase. I just want to try some other beauty blenders, and after trying everything, if I think that this one is best among them, then I will try this. I mean, I will repurchase this, but till that I'm just not going to repurchase this. So that is it for today's video. So I hope you really liked this video. Make sure you give a big thumbs up, and also share this video with your friends, and give me your feedback in the comment sections, and also don't forget to mention as hashtag Keerthi Squad. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, and also make sure you check out Made for Her. That page is amazing. Go grab your jewelries from their page, and I'm sure you will love it. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, it's bye bye from Keerthi.